Okay, so if I did that... Shareable link. Mute myself. That all looks good. Awesome. Give it a sec. Be able to pop that out. Cool. It's actually starting to go smoothly. I'm getting a little bit worried about it. Hopefully it's going smoothly. Everything looks good. Everything looks fine. Everything looks cool. My phone won't update for some reason. That's weird. Yeah, it says I'm good. Do I have to view my... Oh, that's what's happening here. All right. Oh, that's what's... There we go. Cool. All right, so what's up, guys? Today we are making a, I guess, smartwatch stand. I got a smartwatch over the weekend, and I wanted to make a little stand for the puck, because currently the puck just kind of sits on its own, and it's like floppy, and I don't like that. And I also have like a basket on my table that I use to collect my wallet and my keys and everything I need for the day. So I figure if I make a smartwatch stand, I should just probably combine those two things. So we're making a basket with a smartwatch stand. That's what we're doing. So I think the first thing I should do is probably make some parameters. Modify, change parameters. Oh, that's right, we need an underscore. I'm gonna just forget to do that every time. Puck width. So let's measure that out. And totally just throw it on the floor. That works too. Need a better table for all this. So the overall, actually I should make it puck diameter. That would probably be better. So overall puck diameter is 30 mil. So let's make that puck diameter 30 mil. We want the puck height, which will be our height. And we're only going to use, I think, half of it, because I want this sticking up slightly because the watch magnetizes to it. So I don't want it to get, like, stuck. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Oh god, my caliper's just magnetized to it. All right, looks to be about 7. 6.8 if I'm getting frosty. So we'll just do it exact first and all that. So puck height 6.8. Do I need anything else from the puck right now? I don't think so. I mean, I'm gonna need the wire. See, a lot of the cool thing about the parameters is you don't have to always use them. You can just like use them as a notepad. So I think what I want to do is I want to measure this real quick, which is going to be the bend of the wire. How close can I bend the wire before like it starts to get sketchy? $25 mil. All right. That's fine. Damn it. Wire bend. Put that at 25 mil. I think that's it. I think that's all we need for the puck, and we'll put our clearance at half a mil. Put it at 0.2. Yeah, that'll work. So I guess I'll start with the basket, since that's going to be the biggest thing. And if you're watching this stream now and you watch it later on, I don't know how I'm going to tackle this. I just have an idea. I want to do it, and I'm streaming it because I want other people to see how they can possibly figure it out. So I guess I should probably measure my basket first off. Where did that window go? There you are, window. Hi, window. Okay, window. Bye. I missed you. What? We good? We good. All right. So my basket is... Oh, my basket's pretty big. But I don't need it to be that big. So I guess I can make it about 100. Well, my wallet's 100, so we'll make the basket about 150. All right, let's do that. So we'll start a sketch. We'll put it at the bottom. That's a circle. That's a rectangle. Center rectangle. Make it 150 by... What's this basket? Oh, okay, cool. 150 by 120. Yeah, that'll be fine. That will be a fine. Then we're just gonna make an offset. Oh, do I want a circular basket? No, I don't want a circular basket because then you lose all your corners, and we like our corners. We'll just give it a 3 mil. I think. Oh yeah, 3 mil's enough. So then what we're gonna do is we will extrude I mean, this literally only needs to be like 3 millimeters. Huh. Is that how I want to do that? I might have changed my mind. I think I want to make it completely square. And then... So what I'm thinking is I'm wondering if I want to put the... What it's going to be, it's going to be a basket and then it's going to shoot straight up with a bar that's going to have the watch stand on it. Now, what I'm wondering is, do I want the watch stand to be on the inside of the basket or the outside of the basket? Which would look better? Inside of the basket would look pretty good, but then we would have support problems, right? So then, do I go outside of basket? You know what? We'll try inside of basket and see what happens. 30 mil is pretty freaking big, right? Yeah, 30 mil is decent. So that is what I'm gonna do. So we will make a center rectangle. I don't know, like about here-ish. Make it 30. We'll dimension this to here. Make out about 30. Then we'll just trim these off. I guess we can dimension the... Why aren't those dimensioned? All right, let's just, I guess, make lines. Screw it, lines. We like lines. Oh, that's why that's not great. All right. Fine. No, don't. Line X 30. That. Dimension this line to this line at Y is... It shouldn't be. That was weird. There we go. That look off-centered anyone else? That's weird. Then I think we're just gonna fillet these. Yeah, 7 looks pretty good. 8 fillet. And crap. Nope, we need lines. More lines. Lines everywhere. Actually, we need to extend. We're going to extend these over there. And we're going to trim this. Cool. Now we have something worth looking at. So what we're going to do, I'm going to bring all these up. I don't know, 3 millimeter. Okay. We're going to make sure our sketch is still visible. We're going to bring this up. We're going to start with object. We're going to go to the top of our face here. We're going to go up. How tall are you? 60 millimeters. Awesome. So what we're gonna do is wonder why YouTube is yelling at me. Why are you yelling at me, YouTube? What'd I do? I didn't do anything wrong. Oh, that's why. 1 second. There we go. That should help. Hopefully. All right, cool. So now that we have our walls of our basket, I think what we gonna do is I figure we're probably gonna make a pattern on the wall and we're gonna shoot it back, but I'm wondering how we're gonna get it on the side. I mean, I guess we can just do the same thing. Can we emboss? Would that work? I don't know. Let's try. Let's just try some stuff. So let's find our center of this completely. Then what we'll do be 45. I think I remember seeing someone do a pattern like this. 90 plus 45 is 135. Okay, even though now that's just all right. So okay. Actually, I want polygons. Yeah, that'll work. It would probably help if it wasn't a construction line. Boop. Cool. How does that look? A little bit big. See how that does. Now, can we just do rectangular pattern? Directions? Okay, so that gets me diagonal. We like diagonal. Okay. Kind of digging that. Direction symmetric. Okay. Kind of digging that. But we need over. We don't need up. Or I can just do that. Oh, okay. All right. Hang on. Okay. Let's just start over. Create angular pattern, objects. Directions. Give us that. Symmetric. Is there a mirror? No, that's not what I want. Extend spacing. All right. Just type in 14, see what happens. And what does that do? Two, three, four, five, six, seven. I don't understand why it does 8 on one side and 7 on the other. And I've yet to figure that out, and I'm sure that's an easily Googleable thing. I just never got around to it. What happens if I make my direction this and that? Same thing. It's gonna look this. Okay, so it's gonna look the same regardless if I go vertical, horizontal, or diagonal from the looks of it. That's fine. I'm fine with that. But I think the lesson I've learned is I need to put this on the bottom. I need to put this on the bottom. All right, fine. I'll just make a new one. You're gonna be catty about it. Create polygon. Inscribe polygon. Turn off construction. There we go. Then probably should have dimensioned that. That would have been great. Let's go 10. Rectangular pattern. Pick all these. Ten. Symmetric. 10. Five. Okay. All right. I'm digging that. That. Let's get rid of these. Then that should that should be fine. And I guess I'll just select them all. I'm sure there's a better way to do this, but whatever. Actually, there might be a better way to do this. That. There we go. I learned something today. Extrude. We're going to start where we are, extent type 2 object, and we're going to select the back of the basket. I cut through the floor. Is there a way to edit the mirror? No. Can I project the floor? Project the floor. And the walls. Probably should have done that the first time. Now if I do this, I do that. Come on, you worked so well the first time. No. What are you selecting? Alright, screw it. I'm not fighting with you this entire day. I will do it one by one. My hard-earned labor. I just want to make a cool pattern. Extrude. Extrude type to object. Cut. And I didn't cut through any of the walls. That's right, I'm amazing. Awesome. Alright, well that's at least the baskety part done. Although I guess, I don't know. I'm curious if I can make this a... I'm sure I can make it a pattern. I just don't know how to do that right now. So we'll skip that for now. So right now we'll just keep the front and the back. And it'll look kind of okay. And by that, I mean we'll keep the front. Extend type to object. Oh, no. I'm not reselecting that. There we go. That looks pretty all right. Now we can work on the actual watch stand part. So, just rename our sketches real quick so we know what everything looks like. Base sketch. Front holes. We need the base sketch. Okay. So this is gonna come up. We'll call it by about 100. Sorry. Start at the object. Come up by about 100. I did select the object. Oh, okay, it's trying to cut. Okay. Select that. E to extrude. Select your object to start. Distance 100. There we go. Learning. It's a Sunday. That'll get us about that. I'm liking the look of that. Don't need our base sketch anymore. So now Here's where this is going to get interesting. So I need to make, I guess, a cylinder? Or rather, an oval. Because I want to wire the puck through the back. So it's a puck for a watch stand. For the one person watching this, I'm making a watch stand for like my smartwatch. So I have a puck and I just need to make a seat for the puck. And then while I figured it out, I was going to do that. I made a basket for like my wallet and junk. So I angle it forward slightly. So what I'm thinking is something like this. So you want to go to construct, offset plane, and that'll give you a plane that you can draw on anywhere. And we're just going to choose the side of this. Sure. Extend it to make myself feel better. And we're going to create a sketch on that plane, and then actually I probably could have just done it off of this. Can I do it off of that? Will that work? No, delete it. Delete. Let's try that. Let's try that first. Do a sketch off of this. And then project this. Actually, just project the whole damn thing. Circle, slot. Center point to center point overall. I think I want it to be actually I can just do a line. Make that like 50. Now what's a 20 degree? That's 10. 20-degree angle? Hmm. Let's see. Hmm. My brain's farting slightly, just don't mind me. That's 10 again. 20-degree angle. All that. No, I need that point and that point to be perpendicular. Can I not apply perpendicular to or parallel to points? No, I can't. Coincident? No, I can't. Perpendicular? No, I can't. I guess I'll just have to draw a construction line and do it. Why did that move? Man, I hate fusion sometimes. Alright. Line. Not construction. There. 20-degree angle. There. Cool? We all good? Good. Let's get rid of that. Draw a line straight down there. Let's just go ahead and get rid of my failures as a human. Did I draw a construction line? I don't know where that construction line came from, or I just never realized it. Let's fill it. Actually, I'll fill it after. Extrude. Extent type to object. That object. Huh. How do I... How do I fix that? Can I just fill it? Okay, can't do that. Oh, no, wait, what? Can I just do this? Okay, obviously not that. Just keep that just in case we need it, but can I just draw a line from here? Okay, a little bit. I'm gonna have to start at the bottom. From here. $340, I guess. Or I guess I can dimension that here. 20. Finish sketch. Do the sketch. Modify split body. Bodies to split. Splitting tool. Oh, duh, because it's connected. That's not great. Modify split face. Splitting tool. Okay, so that should have... No, that only... Oh, it only literally split the faces. Alright, that... Yep, story checks out. Splits body using surfaces generated from its silhouette curves. Silhouette. Okay. There we go. Now I've got two bodies, and I just delete this one. And it gives me my flat end, and it completely matches up. Oh my god. Oh, I hate doing this. All right. Cool. Now we can actually do some good stuff. I'm gonna make a sketch right there. We're going to make our lines. Making construction, just so that way we have our center points. I had it. What? It was here. Whatever. Guess it doesn't really matter in the end. Doesn't exactly look centered, but you know, hey, whatever, I guess. Oh crap. How do I... Is there a way to... I just have to redo... I'm just gonna redo that. Just gonna redo it. We'll do it in post. Sketch. Sketch. Give me my sweet, sweet angle. X for construction. Find your midpoint. Drag it down. L for line. Find your midpoint. Drag it over. Am I having a stroke, or is that uneven? Why is it telling me the two midpoints are not the same midpoint? Let's try that again. Midpoint. Not mid, but you know what? That's fine. I don't even think we're going to really use it anyway, so it's fine. How big is 30? We learned a valuable lesson today. We have to go back and edit this. So what I'm doing is I'm setting this this dimension as half of this dimension. So that way, no matter how wide I make the phone stand part, not phone stand, the watch stand part, it will always be centered. In theory, if I press enter and this shoots off into the side, I'm going to be very upset. It shot off into the side. Are you kidding me? Can I set this to midpoint? What if let's use some back alley logic here. We constrain this to this at 75. Now if I do it, it should work. Because now we want to keep that construction line in place at all times. That divided by 2. There we go. A little bit of brain. I got a little bit of brain. Question is, what did I make this? 30. That's also got to be 45. Oh. Nope, I was right the first time. This needs to be dimensioned. I thought this was dimensioned, but I guess not. No, this was dimensioned. What? What the hell is... What is happening? Oh, okay. That's dimensioned. All right. I gotcha. I know what's happening. That needs to be dimensioned. Why is it? Why is it not letting me dimension this wall? Guess I'll just do more weird crap. Sometimes you just gotta adapt, I guess. I mean, it's probably because of the fillet. That's probably exactly why that's not working right. Oh, is it like stuck in this weird... All right, let's at least like double check and make sure this still looks all right. There we go. Okay. Now we should be able to make our circle. And we made it puck diameter plus tolerance looking pretty okay, honestly. Even if it's not centered, it looks centered. And I think that's what matters at the end of this. All right. Now we're just gonna do pretty much same crap we did last time. is this. This. So we need the wire, so we have to measure out the wire. Which is going to be 5. So dimension these. Going to be 5. And we're going to dimension this by this. Going to be that divided by 2. Give us our center point. We're going to trim this part of the circle. I mean, that should be pretty chill, honestly. Extrude negative. Puck height. Divided by 2. Puck height plus 2 millimeters. That should let it stick out just a little bit. Then we're gonna fillet this, and we're actually gonna, yeah, okay, so we're gonna chamfer some stuff. We're gonna fillet, okay, we're gonna fillet these back edges. I just think we're gonna fillet all the edges. Both these edges while I'm thinking about it. All of these edges, in fact. Did I miss one? I might have missed one. I think I can do these in batches. All right, let's do the walls first. Okay. Then I can add these. And also make them 1. Try it again. 2. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. Wonderful. And I think that's it. I mean, it's a basket. We've got our thing. We've got our notch. The notch should fit. Now, what I am going to do, and what I think any of you that have gotten this far in this giant, wonderful experiment of mine, is going to be this. So go to construction, go to offset plane, select one of your diagonal edges, drag it down until it covers completely. We're gonna make a test part. So that's pretty much what we're gonna do. So we're gonna just hit OK. So we're gonna want to cut our little thing here off from the rest of this, because we're gonna want to make sure the puck fits and the watch fits the way we want in the puck. So first thing you're gonna do is save, because you're not gonna want your part to be like this the entire time. And you're going to want to modify split body. Body to split, splitting tool. And it created 3, you just need the 1. And then you have your own little test part, so you can actually print that out. So you don't print the entire thing out just to find out that it didn't actually work. So you just go to body, save as mesh, save all your settings. Now I have my own little test part, and that's going to be the first thing I print out before I print out the rest of the basket, because the rest of the basket's probably going to take like 4+ hours at that point. And then, if you wanted to, you could just go back a bunch until they're all one body, and now they're all one body, and you can just mirror out your, or eye out your construction plane. I think that's gonna work though. I mean, I can probably chamfer that. But hopefully, yeah. I think that should work. And it actually doesn't look bad. I'd like to... All right, let's see if I can do this real quick. Create group, remove group, copy. Whole. Sketch. I swear there's a way to save something as a pattern. But that'll have to wait because I have to go to the store. So I think that's going to do it. I think we have a pretty successful basket and a watch stand. I'm pretty happy with that. And it's been an hour. That's been a pretty good make. All right, so yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for me. This was a lot of fun. I like this. I learned a couple of things, which is always important. At the end of the day, you should learn at least something, hopefully. So yeah, thanks for hanging out with me, and I'm gonna test this out, print it out, see how it goes, and I'll let you guys know when I get done. See ya.